In mathematics, you know what is called intersection.
Industry.
There is the word I, which represents industry.
Na DIT ne I.
Industries, and DIT is also I.
Industrial training.
Industrial training.
Industrial development.
Okutendeka omuby'abakorro kandi n'okukuza amakorro.
Ate kintu ekyo mbweno speech inakubere ningamba honorable from Kole yona yagigamba.
The speech I would have given, the honorable from Kole has just given it all.
Ekitukora abantu nitwe tukubashwijuma.
We are the ones who check our people.
Who assesses them.
Who assess them. And after assessing you, we know that for you, you have passed. You get the certificate, which is recognized
in Uganda education system
Uganda education system
and the labor market.
Nana akatare akebyemikono ninga akebyobushobozi ebyobuhinje n'oburisa.
Section 21 BTVET Act.
Section 21.
Kandi tulina ISO certified.
Kandi ISO naye katuhamya.
Ati kutukumara.
And when we finish,
na pass idabo ku bantu batubine omuda